I will show you how to make meatballs with rice. Yes, with rice. Here is the rice that I was cooked this morning. If you watch my channel, you know that I move rice to the refrigerator. I do not keep it in keep warm setting. I turn off the Instant Pot, let it chill, and I move my rice to the refrigerator. Okay. Alright, let's work on the beef. First I will take some onions and dice them. Here is red onion. Have you heard that red onions don't give you body odor? Wonder if it's true. If you know anybody who has body odor, maybe you should test on them and report on this channel. Alright. Little bit hit and miss. The best way to unbox it. This meat was sold frozen in Whole Foods. I don't know why. Is it store initiative or is it supposed to go there that way? I don't know. Grass fed, 80% lean. Alright, let's break it and mix it. Now I'll throw the egg. Now I'll take some rice from Instant Pot. Should be enough. It will take one more egg. Mixing. Let's add some salt. Black pepper. Little bit of spices. And mix it. After a minute of mixing, you feel that it really starts breaking those fibers and it sticks better to itself. So mixing really changes something in the meat structure. Instead of falling apart, it becomes kind of sticky. Let's get our Instant Pot going. Alright, I have a tin can of how many ounces? 24 ounce, 680 grams of pasta sauce. Let's open it. Great. Post the Instant Pot. Great. Now I'm going to form the meatballs. One thing only. I will add little bit of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Thicker than it is. And let me mix it a little bit. Blend that starch in. I'm concerned that it's gonna burn a little bit, so I will add some water, just a little bit. Stay. Okay, now let's form the meatballs. I'm gonna wet my hand in cold water to prevent the meat from sticking to my hands. And I make generous size meatballs. More generous. Not that generous. Rice is already cooked. Sauce already cooked. Two last meatballs will be smaller, and also I need to find room for them. So we used 1 pound of ground beef, also 2 eggs, everything organic, grass-fed, pasture-raised, and have red onion, two cups of rice, cooked rice approximately, all right. Splash of water, and we had salt and spices and black pepper inside the meatballs. Alright. Right now I can already put the lid on, and I'll hit manual for 20 minutes. Pressure cook. 35. 20 minutes. Start. Alright. See you in 20 minutes. Alright. Steam is out, floater is down. Everything is cooked. And here is the thing. Cheese or sour cream, it does something to this sauce, improves it significantly. So it will do its thing when you reheat it or heat it. I'm not keeping normally my Instant Pot and keep warm settings. I just transfer everything to the container. That way I can chill it and put it in the refrigerator later. Alright, that's enough. Good things come in small packages. doesn't fall apart. I'm wondering if I have enough room for all of them. Probably yes. Alright. Great. And then I can slice it in half, put it on a roll, on a bread, anything. They hold the shape pretty good. There you go. Smells good, maybe I'll even try right now. I like to know that my dishes are clean the same day, so I put everything back. I even stick the electrical cord here, and it gives me little gap, so it kind of let the gap lets the water, retaining leftover water, to kind of escape, not to stagnate in the pot. I have nice sourdough bread, a nice Munster cheese. I'm gonna assemble myself sandwich. Alright. I warmed this bread a little bit in toaster. Let's take this meatball, cut it in half, okay, take slice of cheese, a little bit of hot sauce, balsamic vinegar, while it's still hot, let it melt a little bit under the bread, and this is what you got.